Chris Zorn here at MarineMax Baltimore, here to talk today about the differences between an outboard and an inboard outboard motor. Just looking at it, you can see the motor is on the back end of the boat. Pulled back a little bit, allows you to be able to take off this cowling. Easy to walk around and do the repairs you need to do. Check your oil, change out filters. The other nice part of it is the power straight to the shaft, so you can use a little less horsepower on an outboard engine. If you do dock your boat and keep it in the water, you can trim this all the way out so you don't have any part of your motor sitting down in that water for a period of time. Finally, you can get in a little bit more of a shallow water with this outboard engine. Now over here to the inboard outboard. The reason why it's named that, or a Sterndrive boat, is part of the engine is here on the inside of the boat, which you would access by lifting up a seat. And then you would come down here, and this is the second half of your boat. Now this is the part that propels the boat through the water. And with the advantage of this is you can get some more speed out of these, generally speaking, especially with the Bravo 3 prop. This allows you to get on plane quicker. It allows you a little bit more fuel efficiency. And then it also allows you to back up in a straight manner. If you have any questions, we can take you through both models of the outboard and the inboard outboard. Visit us at MarineMax.com or just stop by the store.